A part of sticking to what I said I'm going to do and coming through for myself, not letting myself down, and making sure that I take responsibility for the things that I want to do, the things that I'd like to see done, and the things that I wrote down as my goals. You know, anything that I said that I was going to do, I'm going to start making sure it comes through. Maybe all of them might not come true all at once, but there's things that I've wanted for like years and it never come true, like this, me doing like at least taking pictures for my birthday, something that I've always wanted to do and I always put it off or it doesn't happen. So this time I was like, no matter what it is, I'm gonna figure it out. When I have the hairdresser near me, well, probably they are, but I just didn't want to go to one. I'm going to do it the good old Jamaican way, Tony and make fashion. Go up on YouTube, figure out a tutorial, and this is my first time trying perm rods on my locks, styling my locks overall. So I was like, make a go up on YouTube, find a tutorial, find a 1 and 2 tutorial where I can understand and do my best at making this happen, because waking up the next morning for my appointment for my photo shoot, may I get this done. No matter what it is, it'll go get done. I tried to do my eyebrows for my pictures. Hopefully this worked. I was going to do my lashes, but let me tell you, when I have no lash glue, I'm gonna know this work. Like, I was in here, I flip up and I carry on. Like, I'm gonna watch the video. It's a flip down. Like, how do I do the eyebrows? Like, I don't know. I don't know. And of course, I failed with a capital FAIL because this never did work. I'm gonna just give up and call this a day and just put on some mascara and go on my business, because yeah, trying this on for the first time when you actually have someone for go, no, don't recommend. I'll try next time. So imagine having a certain look that you're going for, thinking that this is what you're going to do for your makeup and not being able to do it on the day. Here's the thing, I did that look like a year and a half ago when I was like just starting to dabble into makeup, or you know, doing those type of things, and I had made a video about it, but I stopped, and I'm pretty sure if I kept practicing I would have gotten it done. But it was, you know, I did go with it so little, and I was like, maybe I can try that today. Try what? I was like, listen, I'm just going to be realistic here, and I'm going to do what I can do. I'm gonna add in the extra thing that just gonna make it messy. I'm gonna go the safe route with the simple things that I can do and make sure this turn out accordingly. Because throughout this whole time I was just like, oh, let me do it. I was like, you know what? Nope, stick it to the plan. Simple, cute, and just make it work. And I am using affordable elf. Is either this or MAC. Or this one. This one is very black, but this one is light length and volume, so that's why I use this one. These colors have nothing to do with what I'm wearing, but they look good on my face, so they work. Praline, my go-to lip gloss. I'm good with how my eyelashes came out. I'm just trying to set my eyelashes as well. Making sure my hair is dry before because of the amount of time that I had in the perm rods, I don't think they were as dry as how I'd like them to be. So I had to blow dry them. Yo, let me tell you something. The amount of time I had to blow dry this is like, comment below how much time I had to turn on that blow dryer to make sure so my hair was done properly, so I can get the look when I go for. And then even after the fact, it probably still wasn't 100, but did what I had to do. Let's start taking them out. I'm excited. size of these or how much twist them, because I still don't want to curl up and tight. The rest of them just a drop. And then if them are wet or what. I just want it curl like them and with them just a drop down. I don't know, man. Like I said, I watch some people when them do fit them one and it curl, it stay tight and curl. I don't know what's going on with this. I don't know. I blew it out. I finally made it to the finish line. Even though I had to go through the motions to get there, I am so happy that I followed through. You don't know I could have dressed up myself like I didn't know I could dress myself up like this. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? The earrings. I gotta get earrings. At this point, I'm just like excited. I'm happy. I love how my look, kind of look I go on with itself. Simple and cute, just right for me. And I was enjoying it. Like I literally was enjoying the moment. I don't do that a lot. I was enjoying this moment. So there's something. I'm practicing for my eyebrows. I'm going with myself. I'm going myself on my eyebrow then. Face moisturized, it wasn't too oily, especially not in the shoot. No, we can feel oil on it, but if you made it this far to the end, definitely you're a real one. In the comment section, drop a yellow heart to tell me that you made it this far also. I'd like you to like the video to help me grow, or leave a comment to help me grow. And if you choose to see more of my videos, definitely subscribe. Thanks for watching. The hair was supposed to swing this way, but in the picture it was just like the whole thing curl up. I mean, I really like that look there, but I guess the picture is okay. I'll post them. But I don't know, like, what do you think? One thing I'll say is it could have I should have kept it in longer so them can get more dry, because right now they're just falling. So I feel like if I kept it in longer, it would have gotten more it would have gotten drier. Also, these are larger pins. These hurt in the night to sleep in. So maybe I need the tiny ones. I'm gonna test it out with the tiny ones too, because I've seen some videos of the tiny ones and try to wrap as me look good.